Hello everyone, welcome back to Crypto Gains for another video. In this video, it's going to be super quick, super quick. I want to give you super quick videos because I know you like it, and just get straight to the point with what I'm showing you here. We're talking about Gala in this video, and I want to show you a bit of news that I see in Gala and, you know, really talk about the price action with Gala. I've got it up here. If it sounds interesting to you, please drop that like, give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Before I dive into this, I need to let you know. Need to let you know. Sounds like I said lead. I'm not a financial advisor. These are just my own personal opinions on the market. So please do your further research before you invest your money. That being said, I want to try and do it quick as I can. But let's just talk about the news side of things, because there is some interesting things that have been happening over the week with Gala, which I like. You know, we've been seeing some listings from exchanges like Polynex. We had the Binance listing. This is what's caused Gala's price to really increase because it's easier to buy. They're also doing something super unique. I can see here they got the tanks and like people joining on these events. But this one here, I'll be joining your party soon. This is Towncoin, guys. There's a lot of people that can play Towncoin right now, and there's a lot of people on mine, you know, because when you use my referral link, you can see that the people have also been playing with Gala and stuff. You can play Townlink and now play to earn, because they're looking to bring this Towncoin, which is it's going to be massive. Now remember, I've said it before, I'm going to say it again. You know, Gala Games is looking to become the Steam of blockchain, which means that it's going to have a huge amount of games that we can play, NFT, play to earn and whatnots. And when I look at Steam, I see the Gala and I can see its potential, and Towncoin could be one of those games that really take the way with now being able to play to earn and taking your Towncoins and selling them off for real profit. So guys, look into that. Be prepared for that, because that's coming, which is a big look. Okay, let's just quickly jump into the charts now real quick. I've been looking at what's going on over the last few days with Gala. I'm still happy with what I'm seeing. You know, it's very standard. You've got to remember, Gala has had an absolute legendary rally over the last week, right? And I've got this on the 4-hourly time chart, which means it's short term. We're talking short term price. And as you can see here, I've drawn a trend line at the bottom because it looks like, you know, should it continue, that it's forming a base here and it's slowly starting to, you know, bounce off of this trend line. And I'm hoping we get further price action where, you know, it bounces off this trend line, forming an ascending triangle. If it does that, you know, because ascending triangles are, you know, usually a bullish sign, you know, I expect it to continue its upward momentum. Get my words out. From here to here, that's where you draw the base. We place it on top. And, you know, depending on where it breaks at, we could look to see it rise up to about here. I originally said 17 cents, but, you know, it's still not far off. This here is saying, and again, this is providing that it is an ascending triangle. You're talking 17 cents dead on. Whereas I said 17.8 before, right? So that's a good little window gap to look at from here to here, you know, as to where prices can go. That's if you're short term, you just want to, you know, make a bit of profits on it, great. If you're long term, obviously hold it longer. I'm going to bring a lot more videos on Gala because I think there's a lot to discuss with Gala. I'm also going to bring a video on Gala as to where I think the top is. And guys, it's not a joke, because the top is all the way up here. It's not a joke. I'm telling you guys, look, all the way. That's another video. I'm going to bring it and show you where I think it is. And yeah, so just be prepared. If you are a short-term holder, maybe you don't want to sell short term, because I'll tell you what, if the top comes in, it's a big surprise for all of us. Let's just take a look at the daily time frame now, because we are overextended, guys. We are overbought, and you can see it in the charts. See, I got the RSI, the relative strength index. This shows when we're overbought, when we're oversold, and you can see here we are still in the overbought territory, but it's fine. It's normal. I expect that, and you're seeing people take some profits. Where's the lowest it can come? Now I just need to keep it real. Okay, got to keep it real with you. Worst comes to worst. If it doesn't bounce off my trend line, like I showed you, right? And on the daily it looks different, but because on the 4-hourly it shows it perfect, right? If it doesn't bounce off of this and it falls and it breaks below it, I believe at the lowest we could come down to this yellow line right here and still be in a bullish trend. And it's crazy, I know, because that's putting it at 4.5 cents. But I want to prepare you for it, just in case it happens. Now we've got these fib levels which it could bounce off of, but if you look, there's not much price action between here and here. So, you know, this is sort of like the price action we had here, meaning this area here. which is where we're seeing some sort of support. The next support action is right down here, guys, because it literally had such a it literally had such a parabolic rise in the space of a short amount of time. That's the only bit of price action we've got, which is here. That puts it at 5 cents, 0.51. Okay, so I'm just saying, the worst comes to worst, that that's the sort of levels I'm looking for. But I'm keeping myself positive, remaining positive. I know the long term for Gala, so I'm not even worried. But this is just some short term analysis for you guys, so you can take it with you on your journey and see where it goes. I'm going to update you with this. And if you don't want to miss it, become a subscriber. I'm trying to be there, help you and stuff. We can look at this on another chart real quick before I go, because I was trying to grab up the ribbon. But this is against Ethereum, wrapped Ethereum. Now remember, it's only just been listed on Binance and Polynex and all these other exchanges, so we don't have much data to go with on those. But we do on Uniswap. And this was on Uniswap, right? You can see here, Uniswap. And it's against Ethereum. So remember, against Ethereum, this is incredibly bullish. Meaning that if you was to sell this into Ethereum, you would make a heap load of money now, because it's worth a lot more in Ethereum. Okay, but I wouldn't sell it yet, because it's bouncing off this EMA ribbon. Like I've showed you guys in the past, whenever we've seen this curdle, like what we saw right here, that was the curdle, because before it was all bearish, right? Whenever the yellow's underneath, it's bearish. Whenever it goes above, it's bullish. It broke it, and it's been bouncing off this yellow line like a wave, and I expect it to do the same thing and keep going. Look, just here, we just had a bounce off, and again, this is against Ethereum. Look, we're on the yellow here. I expect it to keep going. And this is on the 4-hourly time chart. Shall we look at it on the daily? We can do if you want. See what it's saying. Well, on the daily, we're super clear up here. So, I'm looking at that trend line, guys, before we get any more data. But on the short term, this is what I'm seeing. Daily's right down here. We're so bullish right now with Gala. It's normal to have a healthy correction, okay? So, and again, this is against Ethereum, right? So I'm going to leave it here. Quick super update. I'm not going to do any mad shout outs to my patrons, guys. Sorry, because I want to just do these quick updates for you guys. If it was helpful to you, please drop that like. Give me a subscribe if you're new watching. Thank you for watching. I appreciate you all. Become a subscriber, guys. If you want to become a patron, you're welcome to do so. I have 7 tiers. Take your pick. I recommend the tier that gives you my exclusive VIP partner. It unlocks my buy set. Let me get it out. My buy alerts, my sell alerts, my stake alerts. 10% off annually. Let me show. I'm going down. I'm showing you different tiers. This one here, the exclusive VIP partner tier, because this one gives you my buy, sell, stake alerts. Okay. If you just want my buy alerts, click on this. If you want that little bit more, go for my CEO partner tier. Why? Because it gives you my super alerts. You get exclusive access to my VIP Telegram group, where I talk to you way before I buy, way before I sell, way before I do anything. They're seeing it in there. Okay. And we're talking about projects that I haven't even bought yet or done anything with yet, and they're prepared. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to leave it here. Thank you all for watching. Big up to my patrons. I see you, and I look forward to seeing you all in my next video. Check these out as well while you're at, Gala Prize. Cheers. Cheers. What am I laughing for? Look, I shouldn't be doing this. I should be saying goodbye. Hold on, it's not scrolling down. Why ain't it scrolling down? Oh, there you go. Okay, guys. Cheers.